SERV Stock Thursday. In this 1-minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. So where the heck is this thing going next from Thursday and onward? I love it. I love it. Like, I'm just gonna crash into tears. Nah, I'm kidding. But like, look at the beautiful bullish momentum that we got here, which retraced it a little bit. And now we started to pick up. And this pickup is huge because it gave me a double break. That's why I'm pretty excited about it, because I'm already inside this bullish opportunity. Obviously with a 1 hour risk, 1 to 6 RR if it hits TP. But other than that, the moment I start seeing breaks above 1069, 67 is the moment that I put a BE on. But we're super close to it. I'm very aggressive with break evens. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, there is a free course. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.